Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Our topic today says, what is Ofo in Igbo land? Our topic says, what is Ofo in Igbo land? As an Igbo person, you know the meaning of Ofo, the sacred stick used by the Igbos in their tradition. So that sacred stick, we are going to learn about it now. What it symbolizes, what it stands for. So let's start. Number 1, Ofo is a symbol of justice, truthfulness, and the sincerity. Have you seen it? Ofo is the symbol of justice, truthfulness, and the sincerity. Remember, we said that Ofo is a sacred stick used by the Igbo traditionalists. Now, Ofo symbolizes justice, truthfulness, and sincerity. Before you hold that stick called Ofo, Osisi Ofo, you can see it here. Before you hold it, when you are holding it, you have to say the truth. You have to say the truth because the Igbos believe that Ofo is a holy stick. You cannot hold it and be telling lies. So Ofo, it symbolizes justice, truthfulness, and the sincerity. So when dealing with it, you have to be careful. You don't use it for child's play. Another one is that Ofo is a symbol of spirituality. Class, I'll say that. Ofo is a symbol of spirituality. The most unique tree in Igbo land that connects people with the spirit of their ancestors. Have you seen it? Ofo is a symbol of spirituality. We use Ofo in dealing with spiritual things. When you hold Ofo in Igbo land, you are using the Ofo to connect with the spirit world, with the spirit of your ancestors. Maybe you are making a request, your intentions. You use that Ofo, Osisi Ofo, maybe to pray or to make a request, a special request. So Ofo is a sacred tree. You don't use it anyhow. So when you use it, when you are holding Ofo, you have to say the truth and nothing but the truth. Okay? Number 3 says, it is a defender of the innocent or oppressed. Yes, Ofo is a defender of innocent person. If 2 persons are having some problem, when the person in charge of that Ofo, when the person brings the Ofo out, for 2 of them, that's to settle their dispute. Everybody have to be careful because you are going to say the truth. Thereby, the person that is innocent, we have justice when using that Ofo, because the other opponent, we have fear in him. So, if 2 persons are having issue and Ofo stick is being brought out between 2 of them, it means that 2 of them must say the truth and nothing but the truth, thereby making the innocent person to have victory over the other person, over his or her opponent. Okay? The 4th one says, Ofo is sacred. You do not carry it carelessly. Yes, Ofo, being the Osisi Ofo, you can see it here. Ofo is a sacred stick. You do not carry it anyhow. There are people that are in charge of carrying the Ofo stick. Not everybody will carry it anyhow. There are people meant for it. So there are people meant for that sacred stick called Ofo, Osisi Ofo. Onwe ndị ọ bụ ọrụ ha iji osisi Ofo. Ọ bụghị mmadụ ncha na-eji osisi Ofo. Oge ọzọ anyị ga-ekwu maka ndị ọ bụ ọrụ ha iji osisi Ofo. So it is a sacred stick. You cannot carry it anyhow. Okay. Lastly, it is a symbol of authority. Yes. Class, repeat after me. It is a symbol of authority. Yes. Ofo, the ofo stick. It is a symbol of authority. When you hold ofo, it is a symbol of authority, that you are given the power to hold it. The person that will hold ofo will be an elderly person that always say the truth and stand by it. So next time we are going to explain those that are in charge of carrying this ofo stick. There are other symbols of ofo. There are other things that ofo symbolizes. We are going to stop here. You can ask us questions. Bye for now. Till next time. Kemesienu.